Hey everybody, it's Roberta Kay, and I cannot wait to see you on June 7th. Mark your calendar, get the date set. It is our Dream Bigger 2025 Vision Board Luncheon Workshop. And I'm going to tell you, you will not want to miss this. We are going to recap. We are going to dive into making sure that you end 2025 strong. We are going to have a great lineup of speakers. We even have a comedian. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. All of our vendors will be back again, and we're going to just have a great time of fellowship, the Word of God, and we are going to be empowered to make sure that your 2025 is the best year yet. Make sure that you go to our website, dreambiggerluncheon.com, and register today. Get your tickets now. Don't wait, don't delay, and make sure that you invite a friend. Send them to the website. Make sure that they register as well. I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be a blast.